about to say that I think Ateneo is trying to keep this rotation na nasa likod si Myro. But even then, we have the likes of Ortiz in the front line who can deliver.
Ringlet going for the angle. Vallejo blocked. Ortiz with those with that long arm was able to push it in. Free ball. Let's see where UST will take this. Ateneo's defense was just there. Pascual giving it to Kainglet. Ortiz once more. And Acevedo
On the floor.
kneeling down, takes that one. Caballejo.
Good defense from Acevedo.
Solid defense.
Look at these girls go for each and every ball. Halatang ayaw mamatay.
And command the spirit and the athleticism of both squads.
Recognize the Myro in that very long rally.
And it's just because they were already tired.
That's right.
Ateneo was just too tired to go for defense. Lazaro rolls over. Parang matagal pa to eh. Oh.